Scope of a variable. What is variable? Try to understand first. Variable, it stores the value just like suppose a equal to 7. That means store the value, okay, data value. And suppose if I have written a equal to a into b plus c, a into b plus c. So this is piece of code. So it store the piece of value or piece of code values and store of single value also, right? So particular piece of code or a data value can be accessed in the program. Through these variables we can access it. So this is the variable. Variable has two types, local scope and global scope. Local means inside of the functions we will define it. Inside of the functions we will define it. This is called local scope. So inside of the function is called body of the function. Global scope defined outside of the functions, where outside of the functions or block, and outside of the function, that means in the main program we will input it, otherwise define it. This is the global scope. Through the examples you will understand. X equal to 5. This is outside of the functions. What is that? For O I will write for outside or I for input. Now define scope of A. This is the function header and what we are passing? A. A as a parameter receiving here. So this A is what? In the function header. So this is the inside this variable. B equal to A plus. So this B is also inside of the function header. So inside which functions we are calling? It is here A and then B. Return B. Any more variable is here? No. Now Y. It is outside of the function. So outside. First X is there. Then Y as an input. Then Z for solving this problem. Z. So X, Y, Z outside any other variable? No. So X, Y, Z outside of the function and inside of the function AB. So inside of the functions AB variable. So that's why it is called local variable. Outside of the functions X, Y, Z. So that's why these variables are called global variable, right? So here first X equal to 5. I will write here again. X equal to 5. Now here Y equal to input internal number. So internal number which one? This is 9. So Y equal to 9. Y equal to 9. Now Z equal to Y plus. Z equal to Y plus scope of X. So X value is what? 5. Now X value is what? 5. So scope is what? It's the function calling. So in the function's calling, that means it will this X value, it's come here, parameter will receive this value. So now A value is what? This is 5. A equal to 5. Now B equal to A plus 1. B equal to A plus 1, that means 5 plus 1, it's come to the 6, right? So B value is 6. So return B, so B equal to 6. Now this value will return to who? To function call. So scope of X equal to how much it will come? The scope of X equal to, it will come to the 6 and Y value is 9. So 9 plus 6, how much? This is 15. So Z value is 15. So print Z. So that is why it generates the result as a 15. Okay, this is the scope of a variable.